Cronax Industries, we engineer innovation for cleaner, smarter, and safer environments. From seamless entry to advanced security, our entrance door automation solutions redefine access. Designed for precision, our Cleanroom equipment supports critical operations. Our hygiene products ensure cleanliness where it matters most. And our industrial furniture delivers durability and design for modern workspaces. Proudly delivering excellence across India from metros to manufacturing hubs. Cronax Industries, where technology meets hygiene and performance.